No, but so I had to end the recording because something went wrong, and I do not know how to edit, and that stupid thing showed my email, so I was like, nope, better delete this before somebody hacks me and steals all my Robux. But if you don't know, there's a new Skyblock update. No. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Let's get this. Yeah, there's new cool features. Yes, where'd all my grape seeds go? Thanks. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over everything quickly. So you can craft a watering can. How do you use a watering can? Well, you go over here. You craft it with that many wood. Oh, I might just buy another one. Then you can craft the water catcher of iron and wood. You need to smelt the iron. Obviously, I'm just gonna show you one real quick. See, you have to smelt the iron and then buy another one. So yes, you see like how this works. This is taking a long time. No, you get the idea. So, what do you use these watering cans for? That's an excellent question. You can fill the watering can, and then you can plant plants with it. I am really confused on how this works. Hold up. The water catcher slowly fill and empty tool. Oh. Okay. That's useful. Okay, so I have to exit like other things. Okay, so there's a rare chance of you getting an oily crop. And if you do get an oily crop, you can't sell it normally. You have to sell it over here at a different person called Oily Crops. See his path right down here. Wait, no, wrong path. This path. It's kind of secret, if you ask me. And you can sell your oily crops here. As you can see, I have none of the oily crops just yet, but I really want to. Wait, you spell it. Wait, what? 100K? Oh, it works! Ayy! Okay, so I'm just gonna sell my things for a lot. Hey, grapes. So, easy. That's nice. Potato. Carrots. I have none carrots. So I use them on unused space. But we're not gonna give up. Oh, can't beat it. Okay, so what you want to do? Okay, so what am I doing right now? Okay, so how do you craft planter or a composter? Converts fish into fertilizer. Ooh, well, yes, there's a new fishing update. It's kind of the gardening update. But if I accidentally brought the wrong things, that is not good. Okay, so are you kidding me? I am so dumb. Look at this. Now I'm a cheapo. I just lost $50. Okay, so as I was saying, yes, speaking of cracked again. Boop, and boop, and boop, and boop, and boop, and boop, 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 poop, poop, poop. This should be good enough for now, but I hope I get some birch so I could show you the game. I think, in my opinion, trees grow too quickly. But let's steal this. Let's steal all of our berries. So, how do you get fish? I honestly have no clue. No, but you need carrots. Get your carrots. Go to your tier 2 crafting table. You know what? I actually want to do an experiment. What can you craft? What am I gonna do? Yes. So you want to get oh, fishing rod. Really? I did not see that. I'll buy 2 or craft 2. No, but seriously, guys, you want to use your carrots for bait. And how does this work? Okay, so let me just, oh my god. Everything's breaking. And I like that. So, what do we want to do? Ba-doo-doo-doo-ba-doo. Okay, so, what I want to do, oh god, I just got something put to me. Okay, so, it looks like we're going to have to fish! Now we just play the waiting game. Wait, seriously, how does this work? How does this work? How does this work? Grab onto it. Grab onto it. No! I literally just bruh. Really should have grabbed onto it. Come on, this is, come fishy, it's free Robux. Come on, fish, it's free, no! Come on, fish, this is Robux. You want Robux, don't you? I'm forcing you. You want Robux because you're a noob. So you better get Robux. Eat it, or else I eat you. I can't. This isn't working. How do I use bait? It's broken. Oh god, I just did that. Can someone, yeah. Please fish. I just wanna play this game peacefully. You know what? This fishing is broken. I have no idea how to use it. Sell crops. I don't have any crops to sell because I'm sad. Grow 15 trees. Hey, it looks like I'm making progress. Hey, we've got trees. Team trees. And now we're going to chop the trees because we are not team trees. Okay, but seriously, how the heck do you do that? That's whatever life is. I have no idea. I just want to get a pomp coaster. What the heck does that mean? A pomp coaster. The developer shut down. Oh, games. Okay, so we're just doing like simple work. Okay, so let's go over here. Oof, oof, oof. Oof, oof, oof. And then oof, oof, oof. And then ooh. And now we go through the long painfulness Wow, that is actually very fast. Developer shut down all games. Wow. Boop, ow, ow, ow. Nope, I said over here. Hold on. I feel like this isn't gonna work. Boop! I just killed a tree today. Oh, dude. So let's plant some more trees. This is just gonna be a forest, like one of those Minecraft forests where the biomes are just random. And it's just like bzz, 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 and bzz. Don't worry, just bzz, bzz. See, look at all these trees. Team trees, team trees. That's actually a lot of trees. I'm gonna go figure out how to fish. While I'm doing that, I better have those trees planted. Seeds. Okay. Blocks. Fully break 10 stone rocks. I don't know how to make bread. Baked potato. Okay, so I'm gonna go break rocks. I'm gonna go find stuff. Oh yes! Oh, now I understand. How do I? How? Hold on, let me think for a minute. Hold on, so let's see. So what do I need for all that? Muda? Yeah, Muda. Zero base and obby? Yes. How about I go over there and see what is going on? Oh my god, that grew so quickly. What do I need for that much money? Oh my god, look at how fast these trees are growing. Oh my god, they're just growing live camera. Look at that tree over there. Well, my base is a forest. Okay. Oh, it's water barrel. I need clay too, don't I? Yes, I do. So now I need maple wood. You know what? This is just sad, crazy things. Nope, guys. I actually have to. I just want to go now because this is actually very crazy. And I think this is going way too crazy. My island is way too crazy. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Like and subscribe if you did, and comment down below something. I don't know. Comment something. So I guess this episode was nice, and I will see you all later.